Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the 5 Nights at Freddy's inspired content within Dead by Daylight. The only way to experience this theme officially is through the killer known as the Unknown. This entity brings a unique brand of horror to the game, challenging both killers and survivors with its distinct abilities. We will explore how to effectively play as and against this formidable character, ensuring you master this thrilling crossover experience. Get ready to dive into the fog with a new level of strategic understanding. Playing as the Unknown requires strategic placement and timing. Your primary power, Unforeseen, allows you to create hallucinations that survivors must dispel. If they fail, they gain a weakening sickness, making them vulnerable. You can then teleport to these hallucinations, catching survivors off guard. Aim to place them in high-traffic areas or near generators to control the map. Mastering the teleportation cooldown and the range of your hallucinations is key to securing quick downs and maintaining pressure throughout the trial. When facing the Unknown, your survival hinges on managing its hallucinations. Prioritize dispelling them as soon as they appear to prevent gaining the weakening sickness, which makes you a one-hit down. Listen for the distinct audio cues and watch for visual distortions that indicate a hallucination's presence. Teamwork is crucial. Communicate with your fellow survivors to ensure hallucinations are cleared efficiently, denying the Unknown its powerful teleportation advantage and keeping everyone safe from its terrifying grasp. To truly master playing with or against the Unknown, consistent practice is essential. As the killer, experiment with different hallucination placements to find what works best on each map. Survivors should focus on map awareness and efficient generator repair while constantly monitoring for hallucinations. Understanding the killer's movement patterns and power cooldowns will give you a significant edge. Remember, adapting your strategy based on the specific trial and your opponents is the ultimate path to success in the fog.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.